Hello, beautiful person watching. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making some juicy air fryer cilantro lime chicken. Guys, this chicken is tasty to the core. It is so easy to make, and there is a secret ingredient I use that takes the flavor to another level. Let's jump right into the recipe. But before we do, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Bena. Thank you for watching this video, and please do consider taking a moment to hit that red subscribe button. Also like and share this video and turn on your notification bell because I do upload healthy, delicious air fryer recipes every week so you don't miss a thing. Come along, let's jump right into the recipe. So for our cilantro lime chicken, we will need the following ingredients. I have over here some bone-in chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast, you can use chicken thighs without the bones. That's really up to you. This has been washed and patted dry, and I also use my knife to just remove the excess fat and excess skin around the chicken. And I have here my cilantro. This has been washed. Here I have some ginger and one scotch bonnet or habanero pepper. That's totally optional. I just want a little bit of heat in my chicken. I have some garlic cloves there, some onion, and here I have some seasoning salt. You can use any salt of your choosing. You can also add chicken bouillon seasoning. That's totally up to you and always to taste. I have some fennel seeds and some cumin powder. Now you want to try adding this too as well in there. It really helps enhance the flavor of the chicken and makes it taste so good. And here I have my lime, some black pepper over there, and some extra virgin olive oil. Now let's put all of this together. So we are going to start first by just going in and just blend our ingredients. So I have my cilantro right here. I'm just going to give it a rough chop. And into our blender it goes. I'm going to follow with our fennel seeds. Next, I'll do a ginger. Our garlic, onion, and finally a scotch bonnet. Then I'm going to go in with a lime. I'll just squeeze the juice in there. We are not going to use any water to blend, so just the juice, lime from the juice. I'll use the juice from 1.5 lime. That should be good enough. This is all good to go. So it's not so smooth. Show you how it looks like. Not too smooth. And here we have our chicken right here. And I'm just going to go in with some olive oil. About 1 tablespoon of olive oil should be good. And I'll just pour in cilantro lime marinade. I'll add the cumin, salt, seasoning salt. To taste, I'm definitely going to check this to make sure that it tastes. And a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. Smells so good, guys. Ooh. I'm going to just go in and just mix everything to combine properly. I'm loving this. You want to go bold with the spices and the cilantro, you'll love it. So good. I think I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. I'm just going to cover this and I'll leave it in my fridge to marinate for about 3 hours. you can leave this to marinate overnight, that will be great. It tastes even better. And I'll see you in 3 hours. 3 hours later, and I have my air fryer basket right here. I'm just going to go ahead and just spray a little bit of avocado oil to the basket. Leave it here, and our chicken is right here. And I'll start first with the skin facing down. So, it smells really, really good. I have 6 pieces in there. I'm just going to pop this in to the air fryer. Go. And I do have my chicken preset button. It comes with 380 for 25 minutes. We are going to flip halfway and see how it's doing. Cooking for 15 minutes. Now let's check. Ooh. Just look at that. It smells so good. I'm just going to go ahead and just flip it over, and then we can cook it for the remainder of the 10 minutes. Chicken has been flipped over, and I have some leftover seasoning over here, and I'm just going to just go ahead with my brush and just brush it on the skin before we pop this back in our air fryer. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this back in for 10 more minutes, and I'll see you in 10 minutes. This chicken is so delicious. I really hope that you get to try this recipe soon. You will be making and remaking this recipe. It is so good. I don't even know how to express it. Thank you so much for watching this video with me today. And if you liked it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, share and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. Thank you so much for all those that have subscribed. And please let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried the cilantro lime chicken. Let me know how you like it. Until I come your way next time with something healthy, delicious, please continue to drink lots of water. Be well. Thank you. Bye.